So guys, as always, I was just looking at marketplace one day that I came across this car. So I had a lot of junk before in my garage, but I still decided to buy it. I went right away and go to look at the vehicle. So it wasn't started that point, so we had just to tow start it. We started it, drove with 200 kilometers to the garage, and here it is in my garage now. So it doesn't look that bad in the video, but the reality is that it had a Hilux front end. It's a Chinese SUV, and someone swapped it with a Hilux front end, and it was so rusted that the doors didn't open. We tried to open the passenger door, but it fell off, so we just tied it and got up to the location. And the front was all just loosely bolted together. We had an accident on the way, the bonnet just fell off on us, but it's just part of a journey in ours. So now the next thing is that we are going to restore the vehicle. We scripted it out and found out that the only good thing in this vehicle was the engine and the mechanicals. They were in a pretty decent shape. Other than that, you can just see the pillars are just falling apart, and let me show you the condition of the doors. So these are the doors, but nothing to be sad, because this is what we do at the AMC garage, and we just begin the restoration process. So first of all, we made the new pillars, so you can see the pillars are good to go. And this is the front end that we are gonna install, because it originally looks like the Toyota, so we decided to swap it a Toyota front end. And we also had to make new door skins, because the old door skins weren't matching the front and back, and the car wasn't looking very good. And they were also rusty, so we give it new door skins, new back panel, and Toyota Parado backlight. So after that, we just decided to prime it to protect it from the weather, and here you go. Then we just went in for the fine detailing of all the pieces that we have installed, the new door skins, and we made the handles, we installed them, and then we went for the body kit. The original body kit, we bought a Toyota Parado body kit, but it didn't fit the vehicle because of this different dimensions, so I just made a custom body kit for the vehicle and we installed it. So here is somewhat better looking vehicle, but you couldn't tell what it is right now because of the height of the vehicle basically. So we had just to alter the height. We raised it a lot bit, and we also give it a new body kit, new front bumper, everything as well. So you can see most of the stuff is custom made, but the bumpers are original. And now we're gonna prime it, we're gonna give it a paint job. And in the way, we just raised the vehicle, but I didn't make the video of that all stuff because I was busy somewhere else. But we raised the vehicle to match the body panels. So now it looks like this because everything is stripped off. We are gonna give it a primer, and we just got the base ready, as you can see. So here is our painter going for the second layer of primer to make sure that we cover everything up well, and we will be able to see all the you can say swirl marks and everything in that. So now we are gonna go for a black primer because we are gonna paint the vehicle black. So we are also going with black paint to see how it looks. I have been quiet for a while. So this is the paint that we are gonna go with. We went with the new Toyota metallic pearl black paint with pearl green in it that comes in the Hilux these days in our country. So we just went on with that paint. We just covered the area to make sure that dust doesn't get into the paint. It's not that good, but it's not that bad either. So we're just going for the paint. Here's our painter just doing his stuff, and it came out pretty well. You will see later in this video how it came out. We gave it a nice base coat and almost 3 layers of clear coat, which were very good for the vehicle, and they make it shine very well. So here you go. This is how it looks. This is not coming very well in the video because of all the shade that is coming from the orange. Everything looks orange and the camera isn't catching up very well, but it's really shiny and it looks just like a glass. It looks very good. So here we are, we have removed everything from the top, and now you can see this is how our paint looks. It looks great. And now we are gonna go for the next steps, which is that we are gonna install everything back. We're gonna install the lights, everything, and this is a midway video, but you will have to wait for the part 2.